So John's bringing me some locks. I don't know exactly what he's got yet. Gonna find out.
So he did send it to me, but he sent it on my 481 number. So
okay.
That doesn't work.
No.
Okay. So that's the original key. So coded to that.
Alright.
That's the new ignition, and they opened that all up.
Yep, they did.
Hopefully we got all the parts here.
Hope so.
Yeah.
There's gonna be some springs. Some little
There's a bunch of
fins.
wafers. There's that
springs.
orange piece.
Thank you. Yeah.
This is the original lock,
Oh yeah.
and this is the new
See
one.
what I mean by that? Could be longer. Oh, yours might be the same. Look at that. Wow.
Here's I don't know what that is. There's springs there.
Yeah, you need
There's
that for
grease
sure.
there.
Like that.
And then there's the new bezel cap. I don't know if you can reuse the old one or not.
No.
No.
No,
And
I'm not even taking that
here's
apart.
instructions too.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Thanks. Man. Right on.
Okay, so that's all that. So yeah, if you quote it to that, then I'll what do you call? I'll swing back and pick her up after I do this dart.
Okay, I'll be in. It'll all be in the mailbox.
Oh, okay.
I'm leaving. So.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Oh, I'm going to Piston Ring.
Okay.
They got a truck with lock unlock and panic,
Yeah.
and I have those keys. It says they work.
Well, I wouldn't do this one. That's got the trunk on it. But do you know if it has factory start?
No, it doesn't. No, the picture he sent me
What
didn't
year
have
is
it.
it?
14.
14. Oh yeah.
14 Explorer.
So you don't need to do that one. You just get a regular lock unlock.
Oh, I don't have.
No.
This is all I have.
Okay. I can change this one for you. I'll
Okay.
give you the other one. Yeah.
How about that one?
That one. What's that one? Which one? Yeah, I can do either one.
Oh, I want two.
You want two keys?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
That's why I have them both.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So we need to code these Ford locks to the key that he brought me there. That's what we're gonna do. Now, that's some nice scissors here. Oh, I'm afraid I'm gonna do it the hard way here. Yikes. I don't know, man.
Okay, here's the tube. So, program in the remotes first.
Okay.
Like cycle the key he has, you know, the 8 times, get him to cycle.
Okay.
Hit the lock button, cycles. Hit the lock button, cycles.
All right.
And then turn it off, take it out, make sure all the buttons work. And then program the keys, cut them in. Once you have one key cut,
I'll just cycle it.
yeah. Once you program that one in, then get out of programming, make sure each one starts it, and then cycle, and then do the other. 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, take out. 1, 2, 3, take out. Put the new one in.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you very
we'll
much.
See. Yep. We'll see you.
Right. So I'm gonna do 2, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna do this backwards here, but that's all right. I don't think anyone will mind. I don't think. So 1, some of that. 2, 3, 4. I got lots of 5s, we'll have lots of 1s. Don't really need any of those. Keep these springs though. I got these springs right here. And so what did I say? 2. Let's see if this is a 2. If it isn't, then it's going to be a 1. Looks pretty good. It's a 2. So did I say 2, 4, 5? 2, 4. 4. 2, 4, 5. Oops. 2, 4, 5, 4, 3. 2, 4, 5, 4, 3. Going right. 3, 2. Let's say 2, 1. 2, 1. So that's what it looks like to me. And I'm right. Not always right, but I'm right. I was right on that one. Now, 2 ball bearings and a spring. Very nice. Now I'm going to put in there. This goes like so, you know. Should be right. Should turn. It does. This gets lifted, pulled out, and the tab up a tiny bit. So I got to get in there, drop that. This here, like that there, just like that. I need something. Mash it down with here. That works. This goes in. This goes in. This goes on here. That should snap in. Something like that, and this here. Oh, that fit it nicely. There's that. I do believe the whole reason why. Oh, I think this car was attempted theft. 2002 Mustang, I do believe. Look at that casing here. So I think yeah, you have to have a key to turn this one. one's different. I think that shaft part is the same. So, ooh, yeah. I want to keep that bag. Oh, all these wafers are in one whole package here. Fair enough. Coming out. Couple more springs. Oh, they're all one side too. Nice. Up right. Jeez. One more. Awesome. Spare ball bearing there. So 1, 3, 2, 4, I don't know. Oh, color coded 2, 2, 2, 4. So 5, be 3 of each, I'm hoping. I'm guessing anyway. 5, yeah, 3 of each. Beautiful. What do I want this key here? Where does that end up? That ends up at a 5 here. 5. So that went 5, 4, 3. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, something. Looks like a 2. Just like that. Perfect. Perfect. Now I want that face cap. So it is done by ASP, and they took everything apart here. They couldn't figure it out. So it came to me. I bet she's not that far away either. So it's really sticky. Oh, there we are. That's why. Oops. So I'm just having a quick look at this here. Make sure that it's sitting pretty decently on there. Now I want to do that. This. way better when you can get on top of it. Throw the camera there. Oh yeah. I'm gonna have to have those. Tap them down maybe a little bit. Maybe. Yeah. It's good. Sticky. Something on there. Anyways, that can go which way? That's gonna go this way. That looks of it. See, I don't know, that looks... That's sitting that way. It'll be alright, I'm sure. Nobody makes this lock anymore. Nobody. No ASP, no Stratec. Stratec never made it. Oh, I just need the clip, so that's all that I need. If this clip fits. It should fit. Feels like it might. Well, maybe not. Because here's the clip here. Oh, I don't want to lose that one. It's tiny. There we go. Yes. That clip fell out. In the bag, in the bag. In the bag. In the bag. All of it. I don't want it. That can all go into here. $2002 Mustang. Perfect. Full garbage. I'm gonna go lock up. Get out of here. I'm gonna go do a keys for a Ford Explorer. I think so. See you there.